Good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast. Hope you had a wonderful day with a bit of scattered clouds over the southeastern parts of the country, which is areas such as Chirezi and Mwenezi, because of a southeasterly wind that is drifting into the country. But as of this morning, we had a bit of cold conditions over Matabeleland, north and south, with areas such as Matopos, Westnik, Kezi, and Lupane all in the single digits, which led to a bit of ground frost over Matopos. But however, our winds are shifting from a southwesterly component, which gave us the cold conditions over Matabeleland, north and south, to a southeasterly one, which is bringing in this moisture over the southeastern parts of the country. And this led to the scattered clouds that we had infiltrating the southeastern parts of the country as of this evening. We should expect those clouds to drift into the southern parts, making it rather cool over the areas such as Matabeleland South, Masvingo, as well as southern parts of the Midlands. By afternoon, we're expecting it to be rather mild across most of those southern provinces, covering areas such as Matabeleland South, but into Bulawayo, the clouds should not reach. However, the cooling winds should cool down the afternoon conditions over Bulawayo, but further cooling is expected on Sunday. We were expecting temperatures to drop also over Matopo area, where it warms up again around Monday. So it cools down into the weekend and warms up as we get out of the weekend into the working week, with more of those cloudy conditions projected around Sunday. We're expecting cloudy conditions over Gwanda tomorrow, warms up a little on Saturday, and then cools down again on Sunday, with our maximums reaching about 21 on Sunday, and then warms up again on Monday. For Gwe, we're expecting windy conditions for Friday, but it warms up a little bit. We get into Monday next week, and Sunday is our D-Day. We're expecting colder conditions. For Masvingo, we're expecting colder conditions also on Sunday, but for tomorrow, just a bit of windy conditions drifting in to the southern parts of Masvingo. Slight touches of cloud are projected on Saturday as that system slightly fades, and we're expecting a bit of cloudiness also for Mutare on Saturday and further on Sunday. For Nyanga, we're expecting it to cool down to about 19 degrees on Sunday, and it warms up again on Monday. But for tomorrow, just brief cloudy periods here and there. For Maranda, we're expecting it would also cool down over the weekend, and it warms up as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday next week. Harare, not much affected, but a bit more of the sunshine projected there. Brief cloudy periods here and there over Kadoma. We're expecting our temperatures to be rather in the warm category for much of the period, in the upper 20s. For Chinhoyi, we're expecting brief cloudy periods here and there. More of the cooler conditions in the early morning hours over Victoria Falls, but it warms up by afternoon with more of those sunny conditions projected there. Lupane also under mostly warm conditions for the bulk of the week. For Pindura, we're expecting more of the sunshine with brief cloudy periods here and there. Cool at first, becoming warmer by afternoon, but for Kariba, it's mild at first, becoming warmer by afternoon, with more of those sunny skies projected there for the bulk of the period. That's it from the weather desk. It's